In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix FaceTime volume that's too loud on your iPhone, a common issue that can be quite frustrating when you're trying to have a normal conversation. Let's walk through some straightforward steps to help bring that volume back to comfortable levels. First and foremost, the quickest way to adjust the volume while you're on a FaceTime call is by using the volume buttons located on the side of your iPhone. These buttons can immediately decrease the volume to a level that suits you, providing an easy manual adjustment whenever you need it. Sometimes a simple tweak can make all the difference. Next, it's essential to check the ringer and alerts volume, which also affects the volume levels of FaceTime calls. Head over to your settings, select sounds and haptics, and then adjust the ringer and alert slider to a lower level. This step often helps balance out audio outputs across your device, including FaceTime. Additionally, consider disabling the change with buttons setting for volume adjustments. To do this, navigate to settings, then sounds and haptics, and turn off change with buttons. This action separates the ringer volume from the media and FaceTime call volume, offering you more precise control over what gets louder. For an immediate fix, you can also use silent mode. If the volume during calls is still disruptive, try flipping the switch on the left side of your iPhone to activate silent mode. This might help by lowering the volume, especially in quieter environments. Moreover, be sure to check if your iPhone is connected to any Bluetooth devices or external speakers that might be amplifying the sound without your knowledge. Go into settings, select Bluetooth, and check for any active connections that could be pushing the volume higher than desired. Don't overlook software updates, as these can sometimes address system bugs that affect audio settings. Go to settings, tap general, and then choose software update. If there's an update available, make sure to install it, as this might resolve the volume issue. Finally, if none of the above steps yield the results you need, resetting all settings could be a viable last resort. This option won't erase your data, but it will restore system settings to their defaults, which might fix persistent audio problems. To do this, go to Settings General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, select Reset and choose Reset All Settings. By following these methods, you're well on your way to having a more pleasant FaceTime experience without the volume being irritatingly loud. Remember, sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective, so start with these steps and adjust as necessary. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you enjoy clearer and more comfortable FaceTime conversations.